One of the major steps that you go through during video production is the color correction, and Davinci has a very powerful color correction option to correct out the color according to how you want for different videos. So to go around and then access the color correction tool, you can go around and click on the color page right here, and once you do that, what happens is that the color correction page opens up. So over here on the top, if you were to go to workspace, then here what you can do is you can go around onto switch to page and then access out the color from over here as well. So over here on the left side, these are the stills. These are where you can collect out stills for comparison, and you'll see all of the clips that you may have over here from the timeline, as you can see, and you have a small timeline view over here as well, and you can use the timeline cursor over here. So over here on the bottom, you've got different color wheels right here, and you can sift these out right here just like this to correct out the color on the selected videos according to how you want. Similarly, you see the curves over here as well, and we are going to take a look at all of these tools right here in order to know how, correct out the footage according to how you want. You got the regular timeline view over here, and over here on the right hand side, you can see that there is this node right here. So color correction in Davinci Resolve is node based. Over here on the top, you can see that there are dots right here. So there's the clip and timeline that you can sift from over here just like this, and so forth. As you can see, there's different options over here that you can access by clicking on these little icons over here just like this as well. So that is how you can go around and then work around with color correction, and this is the color page interface. And now we are going to focus on this page itself for furthering our lessons right here. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.